Welcome to a wet and windy and raining Paultons Park, but of course, track. More track has arrived at the park. 4 new pieces plus some supports as well. So we're going to get you a close-up of what's arrived, and to be fair, this is the closest we've been to it. There is a fence here, just so everyone knows there's a fence here. And although it is fenced in, the other car park is respectfully closed, so we will stay at this side of the car park and of course this side of the fence. But yeah, 4 new bits. Let's have a closer look. The next 4 pieces of track have indeed arrived here at Paultons Park. At the moment, here they are. Look at this, look. This one's the closest I've seen it. In addition to supports as well. It's the first time I've seen supports up close to give you a real indication of the colour. I have to say they complement each other perfectly. This is going to look fantastic in a Vikings era. It really is going to look fantastic. Now you'll see as well that these are numbered. There's obviously more of these than there are track pieces. So this is number 61. And we can see what ones they actually go into. I'm guessing what ones they actually go into. Part 1, part 2. But yeah, look at this. And of course the other bits down the back as well. They look like part of the drop as opposed to part of the inversion. That one at the front actually has got quite a nice look to it. We'll see if we can get a close-up of that one. But great to see, really is. It's the first time we've seen the colour up close. We've seen it from a distance. It looks a little bit purple. I'm not actually sure what the colour graph of this one is, but it looks a little bit sort of browny purple. Definitely different. I don't think I've seen a coaster, certainly in this country, with this colour on. And obviously the slightly lighter red on the track piece here. It is an interesting looking piece, that one, whereas this one definitely looks like it forms part of a drop. I guess it could be an inverted piece. And more supports here at the front as well. You might be able to see it is raining here at the park. Never puts me off when I'm coming to have a look at track after work. The site is fantastic. Can't actually see what number any of these pieces are. This is how close we are to it. Here is Drakon then. New track, new supports on site today. Fantastic to see from our last update when track was starting to arrive. It's just brilliant to see it. If you weren't excited for this project, you should be now. Track is here. I know a lot of people don't get excited until they see this. I love to see the whole process from the start right the way to the finish, but I appreciate the track. And this is the closest we've been able to get to it as well, obviously, from barrier side. See the actual colour of this. It's a really unique colour. And of course the track up close as well. We're not going to go into the park today. It's really windy and wet, to be honest with you. And we can see that magma is still very much there. I'm not surprised. I can't see him getting it down in this one, but I believe it will be down very, very soon and off to its new home. But from Paultons Park, more track. How exciting is this?